Hi, it's Namee. I'm going to bleach my roots and bleach the ends of my hair, turn it platinum blonde. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with a milk tea brown. I'm going to mix my bleach. I put Schwarzkopf Blonde Meat in here and 20 volume developer plus 10 volume developer, so I'm going with 15 volume developer. The reason why I'm going so low is because I'm going to be working pretty slowly and I don't want the bleach to over process in the areas that I'm like applying first. So I am using 15 volume developer at a 1-to-1 ratio. So I mixed 2 parts bleach, 1 part 20 volume developer and 1 part 10 volume developer to get 15 volume developer. And I am just using a thicker consistency because I really want the bleach to do its work. I'm going to apply to my roots but leaving my scalp roots. I'm doing the roots but I'm leaving the roots. I'm doing just the outer sections of my roots, and I'm going to first section my hair and do the back first. It's really dark in here, so I'm afraid I won't be able to see very well, but we'll do what we can. Where's my hair clip? I really can't see, but let's try to make this work. Oh boy, I have a feeling this is gonna go badly. I have a feeling this is gonna go badly. I'm trying to go as small of sections as I can with my low visibility. And just apply this to wherever I see is dark. I don't know for why I'm suffering. Oh, for money. I'm suffering so I can save money. Relatable. I'm putting a lot of bleach on, like thick, because I want it to go through the entire section. I'm gonna do the front now. Tired already. I'm doing my left side first, and then I'm going to do my right side to check. Oh, this curl is cute. First, let me grab all my hair and do the edges. I just remembered I didn't do this for the back. Oh my gosh, my roots are so long. And I'm gonna go in and apply my bleach to the front of my hair. I can finally see. I swear there's gonna be black spots at the back of my head. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this to process, but first I'm gonna check my sections. I'm glad I was able to finish all one part of my hair before I changed the bleach. Oh man, visibility is so low. I just have to go with my gut. Oh, it's lifting. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna apply my roots. Wait, I said I was gonna check my sections first. I'm gonna comb the bleach a bit because this is where I always can't see properly. Okay. Other side. Oh, really black. I need more bleach. This time I'm gonna go with just 20 volume developer because I want this to process faster since it's looking black. Oh my gosh, it's like completely black here. Good thing I checked. Now I'm gonna check the hair in the front of my head. I'm still using 20 volume developer. And I'm gonna go in like vertical-ish sections this time. Okay, I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and then I'm gonna apply my root or onto my scalp. Whew. Okay, I went in with 20 volume all over the scalp. It's all over my forehead. And I'm going to apply 10 volume at like 1:3 ratio to my ends and then wash it off when it looks bright enough. So I've applied to my whole head. I look like an alien jellyfish. I'm just gonna let this process for about 5 minutes. I just want the lift on my ends to process, and then My roots look good though, I think. I just want the ends to process, and my hair is snapping. But that's what happens when you do your bleach at home. It looks good so far though, I think. My scalp is on fire. Wow! I look like Queen Elsa. I went really gentle with the bleach on my ends, like 10 volume. And I'm just gonna watch the color. Maybe wait 5 to 10 minutes for the color to lift off my ends. It's only been 5 minutes, but I think it's time to wash the hair. Look how bright it is. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Guys, it came out so good. My hair is definitely over processed, but it's so even, it's so perfect. And now I'm going to dye it black. Well, pink first and then black. So stay tuned for part 2. Let's go.